Hi everyone, welcome to Helpful Solutions. In today's video, we'll talk about fridge compressor not turning on, get it working in no time. Number 1. Reset the refrigerator. Unplug the appliance or switch off the circuit breaker. Wait for 5 minutes to allow the system to reset. Restore power and monitor the compressor's response. Number 2. Inspect the overload relay and start relay. Locate the relay attached to the compressor side. Check for signs of damage such as overheating or burnt components. Test the relay for continuity using a multimeter. Replace if defective. Number 3. Examine the start capacitor. Identify the capacitor connected to the relay. Look for visible damage or signs of failure. Use a multimeter to verify its capacitance. Replace if readings are outside specified limits. Safety precautions. Always disconnect the refrigerator from the power source before inspecting internal components. Thanks for watching.